What up, guys? I ain't had no time to make no videos, put them online. Been working a lot, man. Paper mill, shit. Sucks. Anyways, I had to put a new distributor in the daily, you know. And went with one of them HEIs, you know what I'm saying? Fucker's pretty nice. Just got that installed today, tuned, you know. Man, that thing looks good, don't it? Hey, kitty. Clean old Lincoln, look at that bitch. Anyways, did a little bit of customization. Did the dash a little bit. I gotta get the stereo mounted. Back seat, look at that shit. Detroit. Let's see if she fire up. Oh yeah. Seems to be running pretty good. That's at like 3 degrees on timing. It sounds pretty good. But I'm hoping to get some of the videos up, all that GTP. Me and the boy are gonna be racing that around the yard. We'll see how long she lasts anyways. But a daily 1979 Lincoln, you know what I'm saying? Ain't many of them running around, you know. Alright, y'all, be good. I'm gonna get some videos out there. We'll get that fucking GTP whooped on.